All right, you gonna come with us? You can. Come on, baby. Hey, Thomas. How you doing, cowboy? Alright. Bing, bing, bing. Bing, bing. Oh, she'll come along. That's a good doggy. What's the temperature, Steph? It's got to be 24, 25 now, I imagine. 31 today? Lovely. God. Yeah, yeah. The deer flies take chunks when they bite, eh? It's kind of like the Garden of Eden, eh? Like the Garden of Eden. Yeah. Oh yeah. Mine's not too bad on first gear. I can get plenty of exercise out of it. Oh, is that right, eh? Yeah. Yeah, no, my first gear I can pump. Yeah, oh yeah, could be. And maybe just because it's such a heavy bike. Yeah, they probably did, eh? Yeah. Trails, eh? Yeah. Oh, whatever makes it all possible, you know? Because if you peter out, you can use it to come back. Yeah. Yeah, I can't put mine on number 2 at all. Oh, she'll, don't worry. She's probably just back there taking time to roll in some doo-doo or something. I'm just worried about her getting too much. It's so hot, you know. Say again. Yeah, we won't go that far though. Yeah. I think you should sit down for a minute. Whoa. Is that nice? Come on, man. Hey, get out of that water. Hey, come on. Hey, gee, I knew. Come on. Hey. Come on. Yeah. That's how she cools down. Hey. Oh, damn, I knew. She just rolled that mud, didn't she?
Oh, yeah, I did.
Oh, I know so. No, she laid down in it. That's a good girl. What's that? That's a... Oh, the Centennial Trail that goes from one to the other. It's the old railroad bit. Yeah. It enables us, you know. Yeah. You're always afraid of going too far because you peter out and you couldn't get back, eh? Nice breeze going up now. Yeah, a beer or something. Yeah. That little light I have, the only thing wrong is that it doesn't shut off when I stop the bike.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, it seems to be staying on. You should try yours. Yeah. It does, eh? It's supposed to shut off when it detects no motion, but it's not doing that. Yeah. Tom's going with load. Thomas, do you want a cold drink there, cowboy? What's on a show? Do you need a cold drink? You're okay? Okay, guys, take care.